Right. Good morning, everyone. Online students, can you hear me? Okay, there is a information to both offline and online students. If you have taken admission in full stack Java, my core Java class is not available for that admission. If you want to take my class admission, again you have to pay additional amount 1700. Okay, so for core Java, who join core Java for my class fees 2500. If you have already taken admission to full stack Java, if you want come to again to my core Java, I'm not teaching full stack Java stream of core Java. Okay, so if you want my Java, you have to pay additional amount 1700. That 1700 additional knowledge you will get. Don't worry. Okay, na? What you are learning in your full stack Java is completely different from what I am teaching here. Okay, so already I told you in your regular full stack Java, you will get just definition of concept and small program how to write. That's it. You would not going to get core Java knowledge, project knowledge and entry questions, flow of execution knowledge. You will not get that and all. Okay, here you are going to get additional knowledge. Okay, right. So that's why people are charging Jyoti Das. If you pay already, it's okay. Not paying, then I'm talking to the people. Okay. Okay, then now. So today, let's move to the next topic. So what is the last topic we have completed? I hope you remember. Yeah, class link will be online students. Tomorrow also, please join the class with the same demo link with the today class link. And Thursday onwards, link will be changing 100% guarantee. Okay, Thursday onwards, this link will not work. Tomorrow also join with the same link. Sound not coming. Why didn't you join Saturday class? Then how can I repeat for you for the class again? How can you ask me that repeat again Saturday class? Saturday who attended a class, they will beat me, no? Right. So last class we are trying to understand what commands for compiling and executing a Java program. Any of you remember? We completed installing JDK software, and then also we completed commands for compiling and executing a Java program. So how to install JDK software, like how you install other softwares in Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Mac, same way you have to install JDK also. What to do? Open Google Chrome, search for JDK 18 download and download it. Then after downloading, you have to double click on that exe file. But very important point you should remember, you must install JDK in directly C drive. Don't install in program files. If you install in program files, this space creates a problem, I told you, right? Fine. So all the people, I hope install JDK in your systems. Okay. Then what is the Java home? Java home is nothing but the directory in which JDK software installed is called what? Java home, right? Where we install JDK software in C JDK folder. So this C drive JDK folder is technically called what? Java home, right? Commands for compiling and executing a Java program. What you did in Java C file name.java and Java class name. Very important. In compilation, which command I should use? Java C. Must give extension. Extension compulsory. Now while running, what command I must use? Java. And what is the argument? class name only, should not give extension. If you give extension, then it will become 2 times. Already compile, already JVM is internally adding dot class. Now if you again add a dot class, it will become what? 2 times. So that's why you have to give class name only. So last class we have completed. These are the points. Now let's move to the today class, the next interesting topics. Today we are starting programming. Let's start the brand new week, okay, where you are going to become programmer. Write down these points quickly. Java programming. Tell me, what are the points we have to learn as part of Java programming? First one, softwares required to develop a Java program. Softwares required to develop a Java program. Okay. Sufficient? Okay, next. Basic Java programming elements. Basic Java programming elements. Next. Essential statements of Java program. Development. Right? Then next. Hello world, steps to develop, compile, and execute a Java program. Next, program 1, hello world application development. Next, compilation and execution procedure. Next, compile time and runtime errors. Compile time and runtime errors. Next, basic JVM basic architecture. Escape. more example programs. More practice example programs and escape sequence characters. infinity. But now Java has only 7. How many syntax points are there? 20. How many? 20. 20 syntax points are there. If you know these 20 syntax points, it's enough. Then how many statements? Yeah, based on your logic, infinity, we cannot say. How many blocks you write? You cannot say, based on the operation. How many programs? We cannot say. How many projects? Based on the project. Okay, so if you know programming element, reserved words and syntaxes, then preparing statements, blocks, programs and projects will be easier. How many programming elements? 8. How many reserved words? 70. How many syntaxes? 20. Then tell me, very important point. Speaking language is easier, programming language easier. Programming language only damn easy. So if you wanted to become strong in speaking language, learn programming language first. Easily you can remember. Okay, Jitendra, where are you? That's a old version. Okay, 53 reserved words are not there, 53 keywords. Okay, now I am teaching Java 18. You are learning old version, and you are forcing me to learn old version. All right, Java supports 8 programming elements. Java supports showing dignity in the classroom and feeling so proud not talking and looking at other people, you waste fellow, you're talking like LKG student, I am BTech past, I don't talk, then I will attack you. Understand? So everyone is a LKG student here. A for apple. మూసుకొని సైలెంట్ గా చెప్పాల్సిందే. అర్థమైందా? నేను సైలెంట్ గా కూర్చుంటా, నేను చెప్పను, నేను చాలా డిగ్నిఫైడ్, ఐఎమ్ పిన్ డ్రాప్ సైలెన్స్, కుదరదు. It will not work out here. Okay, so you have to compulsory speak in the class, otherwise I will torture you in the class. I will see only two things: number one, either successful or leave the These three are called what? Statements. What we call statement. These three statements you have to form as a one group, na? Right? These three statements are as comes under one operation. I have to group them. All these three statements you are grouping. That group is called what? Block. Okay. Tell me, I want you perform representing an operation? Okay, so next point, I'm going to ask a question. Tell me, here I'm writing some other story. Okay, this is what mathematics. Now let me come to business. Okay, what the meaning of business? Okay, bank account. Can I take bank is a business? Now I'm taking bank, bank or bank account. Tell me, now in this bank account I have some values, right? So tell me some of the values. What? Account number, next account holder name, and next what? Balance. Tell me, all these three are representing what? Values. Values representation purpose in Java, what should I use? Variables. Everyone replying? Don't concentrate on listening, concentrate on the question I am asking. My explanation is over. Now I am asking question. By the time question completed, you should be ready with your answer. Now come on. Account number, account holder name, balance. What all these are? Values. Values according to mass, these are what? Values. And that values representation purpose, what I required? Variables. In programming world, what is account number? Variable. What is account holder name? Variable. What is balance? Variable. So variable is meant for representing value. Okay, then tell me, now inside balance variable I want to store some value. Okay, now there's some money I wanted to store. Further, what logic you write? Balance equal to balance plus amount, na? Balance equal to balance. Existing to the balance, I'm adding what? Amount. Then now tell me, this is a one operation, right? Next, tell me, I want a withdraw operation. Then what you write? Balance equal to, everyone should answer, balance minus amount. Tell me, this is one operation, this is another operation. So in an operation, maybe there are multiple statements, maybe there are, maybe single statement also will be there. So this is the single statement operation. Then how can I differentiate one operation from another operation? By a block, right? Now we write a block like this, then it is also another block we write. But these are the normal blocks or operation blocks? Operation block. Operation block should have a name, na? Then what name I should write? Deposit of. Here what you write? Withdraw. Withdraw of. Tell me, this deposit and withdraw operations performing by what? This deposit and withdraw now I called, what we call now? Methods. Account holder name, account holder, account number, account holder name, balance are what? Variables. Deposit and withdraw are called what? Methods. Now the question, carefully answer. These variables, these methods are belongs to which? Whose values it has to store? Bank account. Whose operations you have to perform? Bank account. Then what is bank account? Bank account is a thing. What's a bank account? Bank account is a thing. In real life, anything you see or anything you use is called what? Thing. A bank account is a one thing. The thing has what? Values. The thing has what? Operation. Now this thing in the programming world is called what? Object. Everyone understand? This thing in the programming world is called what? Object. Okay, online students, now tell me, what is this? I cannot see. Okay, this is remote. Offline student, tell me, what is this? Remote. And tell me, what is this? Car keys. What is this? This is what? Mobile. What is this? Mobile. Now online students, here I am showing multiple things. Okay, each thing is contain individual name. Now I am showing all these things as a group and asking, what is it? You say what? Thing. So now whenever I am giving particular thing, it has a name. Whenever I am showing multiple and asking, tell me commonly, the common name is what you are saying? Thing. That thing in the programming world is called what? Object. Okay, object. Now tell me, what is bank account? Bank account is a object. Okay, now I want to ask another question. Everyone should answer. Now tell me, I wanted to represent, mobile. Okay, in the programming world, I want to represent what? Mobile. Then I'm taking what? Mobile. Okay, tell me, now mobile has values. What the values? Mobile has a brand, mobile has a model, mobile has a price. Tell me, is mobile have any operations? Yes. What operations? You start up mobile, na? Start mobile. And then what? Call. Make a call. Make a call. And then what? SMS operation you do. And then what? Take a selfie. Very important nowadays. Selfie. Okay, na? Then next one is what? Stop. Okay, now stop, like so many operation. Then tell me, you must separate one object values and operations from another object values and operations. Yes or no? Tell me, how can we separate? Again, what you do now? Group. Okay, na? Again, group. Open bracket and then what? Closed bracket. Then tell me, to represent this bank account in Java as an object and group its values and operations, we have to use a concept called what? Class. your brain will become active. Your brain unknowingly started thinking it. Oh, when I ask a question, how to find answer for this question, it will start think. Okay, now when I start the class, I start asking one question, then from a first step, first word itself will start be active. What question is asking? Then by the time the question completed, your mind will push the answer to your mouth. Take this answer and give. Your brain will become too much active, too much intelligent. There is no person called poor. There is no person called intelligent. Only sleeping people are what? Poor. Okay, na? Listening and replying people are what? Active. Means intelligent. Day by day, you are getting knowledge. One fine day, if enter ask a question, do you know about the class? అంటే how can you get? So I'm shouting, no? And I'm talking also words fast. Okay, I'm this much actively shouting, even though I'm not well. Still, I'm not well. Still, I'm suffering a lot of cough. I'm controlling, and I'm lot of problems I'm facing now, breathing problem. But still, somehow I'm managing, and I'm so active. But you idiots, kumbal tiffin already ate, huh? And fully healthy body you have, but still you are not talking, and you are the number one worst fellow in the world. I should make your body pieces like, chicken pieces, mutton pieces, and I should sell you out for cages of money. Yes or no, brother? బొగ్గలు బాగున్నాయి. నిద్ర ఎలా పడుతున్నారు నీకు అసలు? థర్డ్ రోలో కూర్చొని నిద్రపోతున్నావు అంటే నిజంగా నువ్వు గ్రేట్ రా బాబు. ఓకే గర్ల్స్, ఆర్ యూ టాకింగ్? Generally, I don't much care you, okay? Because I am feeling that you are responsible. Okay, now out of 2 hours class, maximum 1 or 2 times only I look at your side, because I'm feeling that girls are responsible. My boys are irresponsible idiots. Yes or no? Say yes or no? Yes, sir. Tell me, yesterday how many people are more active from 7:30 to 11:30? All we people, right? Why? Match. అసలు పాకిస్తాన్ ఇండియా మ్యాచ్ అంటే అసలు హౌ that much active, right? Even outside your friend is suffering a lot of problem. Hey, wait ra, up to 11:30, let match complete ra. That much intense, people who don't have mobiles or net connections or subscription to the Hotstar No, only for confirming the points I am teaching in the class, right or wrong. Only confirmation for our system, but not for learning. Everything you should learn and apply in the system. That's it. Are you ready for that? So tell me, when you go on the road, you find a suddenly bus. Tell me, what is a bus? Bus is a object. Yeah, vehicle, but it is a object. Bus is an object. Tell me, object in Java, how to represent? So tell me, what is a bus in Java? Class. Okay. Bus is having brand, color, height to weight. What are they? Variables. You have to find what are the values of this bus. Those are what? Variables. Then tell me, for example, color. Which color? Brown. Height. How much height? 10 meters. Width. How much width? Some 20 meters. Okay. What all these are? Values. Who is storing these values? Block and constructor. Okay. Variables are what? Color. Which color? real world thing. If you have that mapping in your brain, developing Java programs, object oriented programming is after all. Are you ready to practice like this? To practice like this after class, you should speak in the class. That's why I'm forcing you speak, speak, speak. And once you connect to the how to speak, how to understand, it's easy for you to practice. Are you comfortable? Are meant for grouping variables, methods, constructor, block, inner class of one object. All things are belongs to our grouping, grouping, grouping. Can I hope everyone understand the story? Really? Will you start applying these points to the real world? No. Right. So with this knowledge, we'll continue tomorrow class. Today, I didn't give any much notes because I want you fully involved in the discussion. So tomorrow, I will dictate the notes of each topic and I'm asking you pick one example by your own. Tomorrow, I'll check everyone notes after dictating the notes. I will ask you apply all above concepts to one real world example. Everyone should choose your own example. Are you ready? Right. Work out yourself and come tomorrow. Thank you. That's all for today class. Online students, hope you all understood. Any questions? Okay, Rahul Reddy, tomorrow you'll understand. Admin అడగండి ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళండి ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళండి voice disturbance, there is no disturbance from my side. There is a disturbance your side. Tejasvi. This is Google Classroom code. Shahrukh Shukla. Join that Google Classroom link. You will have information. Saurav Kumar, yes, it is possible. You can switch. Okay, guys, tomorrow we'll meet. I have another class now. Thank you.